Let's see how we can change Python versions and run project using different Python versions in Visual Studio Code. So if I type Python here, as you can see, I have Python 3.12, 3.10, and 3.11 installed. So let's see how we can run a project in Visual Studio Code using any of these Python versions. So I'll open my Visual Studio Code here, and I already have a Python project open. If you don't have a Python project open, you can open your Python project. And this is a chatbot. If you want to learn how to build a chatbot in 5 minutes, you can check out the links in the description or the end screen or the cards here. Okay, so let's see how we can run this using different Python versions. So if you check down here, it is showing Python 3.11, right? Now, if I run this, it will be run using Python 3.11. All right. Now, if I want to change the version, what I need to do is I just close this and click here, and you will see all the available Python versions. If you have a virtual environment, it will also be shown here. So now I can choose 3.12, and as you can see, 3.12 is shown here. Now you need to run it using run and run without debugging, and it will be run using Python 3.12. As you can see here, it is using Python 3.12, and since I don't have sklearn installed in Python 3.12, I'm getting this error. This is how you can change Python versions in Visual Studio Code while running your projects. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.